Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2020 Kia Sportage EX Premium in modern bronze. Starting at the front here, we have automatic bifunction projection headlights, LED daytime positioning lights, and projection fog lights, as well as an acoustic laminated windshield and a stylish front grille. Moving on, this vehicle features Dynamax Intelligent All-Wheel Drive and sports 18-inch machined finish alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. This model also includes power-heated side view mirrors with LED signal repeaters, as well as keyless entry and deep privacy tint glass. Some of the safety features with this model include downhill brake control, impact sensing door unlock, forward collision avoidance assist and lane keep assist, as well as blind spot detection and rear cross traffic alert. Looking toward the rear now, we have LED taillights, smart power liftgate technology, and a rear window wiper and defroster, as well as a spacious cargo area with a dual level cargo floor. Heading inside now, this model has a beautiful leather interior, as you'll see, with 60/40 folding rear seats, as well as a panoramic sunroof and rear climate ventilation. Looking toward the front now, we have heated front seats, as well as a heated steering wheel, mounted with both audio and cruise controls for distraction-free driving. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, as well as dual zone automatic climate control with an automatic defog system. This model also includes a rear view camera on an 8-inch display, as well as drive mode select and a wireless cell phone charger. Heading under the hood now, we have a 2.4-liter GDI 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed Sportmatic automatic transmission. For more information, you can contact us here.